Good morning and welcome to vlog 2. So I'm currently in the car, kind of waiting for traffic. So I figured I'd do a really quick intro to the next vlog. We got a busy day, a lot of meetings. So it is 7 a.m. and I'm basically headed off to the first one, which will be a virtual meeting. And the one after that is in that office. So yeah, and that'll go until maybe 11, 12 o'clock. So let's get cracking. Okay, so just finished up with my meetings. It's 11:45 now. So I'm gonna head home and maybe put Gray down for his nap if he's not already asleep. It is a lovely day. I didn't really have anything planned. We actually had someone that was supposed to come over and they cancelled because they're sick. So yeah, we'll kind of see how the rest of the day goes. But it's such a lovely day. Maybe I'll take Gray for a walk and add that to the vlog. We'll see you guys with a walk, I guess. Maybe a walk. I don't know what's gonna happen next. We'll see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So there's a bear. No, sorry. Okay. Start again. Okay. So there's a rabbit. Okay. The rabbit dies of unnatural causes. Okay. Lying on the floor, gets eaten by a bear. Okay. So now the rabbit is sitting in the bear's stomach. Okay. The bear dies unnatural causes. Important to the story. It lies on the floor. It gets eaten, half eaten by birds and stuff, and then another bear comes and eats that bear. Yes, cannibalism. Okay, eats the bear, the second bear. So now this bear dies. Okay, so now he's getting eaten. Okay, like maggots, everything eating it. Okay, now all that's left is a stomach. So now soaring, wow, eagle grabs bear's stomach and it's flying over a forest. Okay. Now it's like this thing is basically two balloons wrapped over a rabbit. Now it's slipping. So the what do you call it? The bird grips it again. And then the first stomach pops. And then the second one, it's reaching. And then the second stomach pops. And all that's left is the rabbit. And the bird falls to the ground, instantly dead. And the forest, all dead because of the smell of the rabbit. Now, that is a quarter, nay, a 10
I was waiting for it to link to Chris.
of the smells that came from your son. It was disgusting.
Good this morning.